Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello students, welcome back with Miss Dwi. So, how's your day? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, before we start lessons, let's pray together. Okay, pray, start. Pray, and. Okay, now I want to make sure whether all of you are here with me or not. So to make attendance easier, the class leader don't forget to send your friends who are not present. Okay? Okay guys, today I will accompany you to learn about descriptive text. So because today we will learn about descriptive text. So what will we learn? So for the first, we'll learn about definition of descriptive text. And next we'll learn purpose of descriptive text. And then grammar used and structure text in descriptive text. So, does anyone know what descriptive text is? Okay, we will learn together, right? Okay, so are you ready, guys? Okay, let's go to the next slide, okay? Okay, so what is definition of descriptive text? A descriptive text is a text that describes a particular object such as place, thing, or person. And what is the author's purpose in writing a description? So the author wants to describe the particular object by describing its or his or her specific features to help readers visualize what a person, an animal, part, or a thing is like. So how is descriptive text constructed? It starts with an opening paragraph. In paragraph, there is a topic sentence that introduces the object going to be described. A series of paragraphs follows the opening to describe the parts or the features or the specific characteristic of the subject. Do you understand, guys? Okay, we go to the next slide, and in this slide we'll learn about grammar used in the descriptive text. For the first, using the present tense. Okay, in the next in the descriptive text we use the present tense, and we use stative verbs and use detail adjective and adverb. Okay, any specific object. In the descriptive text, we will see the object is unique, the only one in the world. For example, Borobudur Temple, planet Jupiter, my cat, and then sun. So, for the second adjective, to add understanding related to what is being explained in the descriptive text, there will be adjective that will help the reader imagine. Imagine something that is being described. For example, a beautiful mountain and the tall man. Okay, next, simple present. The tense used in the descriptive text in English uses the simple present tense. This is because something is being described based on the current state, although not always a fact. Example, the first 5 terraces of Borobudur Temple are square. Just it. Sentence with simple present tense. Okay. And then action verbs. There are also action verbs used in descriptive text in English. Action verbs are verbs that indicate an activity. Some of the verbs are as follows: run, sleep, visit, and so on. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, now we talk about structure text. In structure text, description text divide into two. parts. So the first is identification. Identification contains paragraphs that identify places, animals, people, objects, and others to be described. For example, Borobudur is a Hinduist temple. It was built in the 9th century under the Sailendra dynasty of the ancient Mataram kingdom. Borobudur is located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. Okay, next, description. Description is a part of text that discusses a description of a place, animal, person, thing, and others that will be described in detail, usually using the five senses to help explain something. Okay, we read this together now. So the title is Ancient City of Rome. If you visit Rome, Italy, you will have many opportunities to see all sorts of beautiful sights. Rome is a very historical city. Today, nearly 3 million people live in the main area, with another 2 million in the surrounding area. Rome can trace its roots to the date it was founded. This is actually a well-known legend. They say that the twins of Roman mythology, Romulus and Remus, founded the city in 753 BC on April 21. This is corresponds quite closely to archaeological evidence, which shows an agricultural community in the area, then developing suddenly into a fully fledged city around the 8th century BC. It's hard to say why it experienced so much growth, but people moved in from all over the countryside. Eventually, it became the capital of the Roman region. As the Catholic Church grew, Rome became increasingly important both in religion and politics. Constantine, I was Bishop of Rome, and eventually became the first Pope. Because it was based in Rome, it quickly became the most important geographic area for the Catholic Church. Since then, it has remained the home of the Vatican, which is essentially the headquarters of the Catholic Church. Rome is famous for its architecture, which brings in millions of visitors. The Colosseum is a famous Roman building. It was once a magnificent and innovative amphitheater, and was at the forefront of architectural progress in AD 70 when it was built. It has since collapsed a bit, but is still stunning and impressive structure. Okay guys, according to the text what you read now, we can identify that a structure text in the descriptive text and city of Rome. The first paragraph is identification, and the second paragraph and the last paragraph is description. Okay. Okay, students. Now we know about structure text and descriptive text and all about descriptive text. So for your daily tasks, I want all of you to find specific objects, verbs, adverbs, and adjectives from descriptive text ancient city of Rome. Okay, enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next week.